Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Future Executives online classes. Dear students of level 7, I am your English teacher and today we are going to start our chapter number 2. The title of unit number 2 is Good Health, the Greatest Blessing. As there is a saying, a sound body has a sound mind. Thus, the good health is the greatest blessing of Allah Almighty, and we must be thankful for it. We must keep ourselves healthy by eating clean, by doing exercise, and not taking stress. On page number 13, there are words meanings. First word is balanced diet. Balanced diet means mutawazin ghiza, a plan of eating in which there are all healthy nutrients. So a healthy eating plan is the meaning of balanced diet. Next word is stressful. Stressful means something which tires us, which makes us anxious. So tiring is the meaning of stressful. Next word is troubling. Troubling means something which annoys us, परेशान करने वाली चीज़. So causing distress is the meaning of troubling. Next word is demoralize. Demoralize means to weaken our courage, हौसला शिकनी करना, to make us feel low. So despirit means demoralize. Next word is to nudge. To nudge means to push someone with knee. So a light push is the meaning of to nudge. Next word is minimize screen time. Minimize screen time means reducing screen time. Screen time कम करना. Mobile कम use करना. Next word is vigorous exercise. This word is pronounced vigorous and not vigorous. Vigorous exercise means strong exercise. Next word is traumatic. Traumatic means shocking or something which stuns us. Okay? Next word is coping. Coping means to deal with someone, to manage something. So managing is the meaning of coping. Next word is procrastination. Procrastination means delay, देर करना. Next, cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease is the disease of heart. Last word is feeling overwhelmed. Feeling overwhelmed is a situation where you are stunned and confused and you are panic, you do not know what to do. So speechless or confused is the meaning of feeling overwhelmed. Now we have to head towards the heading, reading. Reading starts from page number 14. This chapter is about the story of three organs: heart, brain, and stomach. These are three friends, and they are telling us their story, that how we are affecting our heart in a good way or a bad way, and what should we do to make our heart healthy or happy. Or on the other hand, our brain healthy or our stomach healthy. So, let us begin with the reading. Page number 14. Autobiography, a life story. There were three friends who lived in the same vicinity. The harmful effects on one would impact the others and the vicinity too. Let us read the autobiography of these three. Heart. First of all, heart. I am quite famous, and you will hear people using me in different expressions like bleeding heart, heart and soul, from the bottom of my heart, pour your heart out, lose heart, and have a heart of gold. I'm not only used in expressions, but I have an important task to do. I am the pumping station in the human body as I pump blood to different parts of the body. I beat and provide music to my close friends, the other organs in the human body, and show them I am alive. The stop of my beat would take the lives of my friends too. People never stop eating the things that are bad for their health. In fact, they overeat, and the junk food not only makes them obese but also increases the bad cholesterol levels, which can result in a heart attack or stroke. People who have a large waist circumference and fat around their abdomen are at a greater risk of heart disease. A low fat diet and exercise keep me healthy. I feel happy when humans have a brisk walk, ride a bicycle, dance and run. I feel sick and lethargic when people sit in front of the computer or television for hours. When I'm healthy, my friends are healthy and the human lives long. So, in this paragraph, in these two paragraphs, Hart has told us its story that it has close friends, brain and stomach, and we make our heart unhealthy by eating junk food like pizza, burgers, and those who have fat around their waist and they are obese, they are at a greater risk of heart attack. So activities like having a brisk walk, a riding bicycle, dancing and running makes our heart healthy. So we must not keep sitting for hours in front of television to make our heart healthy. Next, on page number 15, the story of heart goes on. I am associated with emotions, but my best friend, the brain, is actually the center of emotions, from where I get signals and that affects my beats. I am the symbol of love, so be happy to keep me happy and avoid depression, anxiety, loneliness, anger, and stress. Be happy by socializing, forgiving people, uprooting the grudges you have against people from your heart, talking politely to people, and not taking stress even during examinations. A healthy and successful person always has a calm heart. So, here the heart has told us strategies to keep it healthy. So we must not be sad, we must not take stress even during examinations. पेपर्स के लिए टेंशन लेना भी हमारे हार्ट को अफेक्ट करता है बैडली. सो बाय forgiving people, by interacting with them and not feeling loneliness, we can make our heart healthy. And we must not keep the grudges against people. Okay, we must forgive people. हमें किसी को बुरा नहीं समझना चाहिए and we should forgive them so we can keep our heart healthy. Next, brain. Brain means damag. I am associated with intelligence, wisdom, and logic. If I am affected, people will find it difficult to process information, express thoughts, understand others, pay attention, make decisions, and remember things. Okay? So दिमाग कह रहा है कि it is associated with intelligence, वो हमारी wisdom के साथ associated होता है. And if brain is affected, then people find it difficult to think, to remember things, to express their thoughts, and to learn something, and their decision making ability is also affected. Next reading will be discussed in the next session. For diary, you have to write down the vocabulary or words meanings on your neat notebook, as well as you must practice that, and you have to read what we have read in the session. Read aloud the chapter which is discussed in today's session. Thank you all for listening attentively. See you in the next session.